So here we are, Schiphol Airport, back of the hotel. What the? It's only a 747 in the garden. What is that about? How cool is this? And as part of the little package that they've given us for the short delay, we're on a free tour. Can't fault it.
English. Ah, yeah. Good.
Here we are at the front of the Boeing 747. This was the first class area where you had menus given to you for what you wanted to eat rather than just food thrown at you. And it goes back to the second class area. The chap says you'll see row 11, you'll see row 12, you won't see row 13, and then we're upstairs at business class. Fabulous to see that. Absolutely fabulous.
Normally they cover them when they only from there forward.
See what's being forward 10 inches of travel during takeoff and landing.
Yeah.
What if you've got really long fucking legs?
You've got to be able to push those pedals.
Here we are at the rear of the cockpit. A couple of seats for the crew, pilot. Back now in cattle class. Rows of 10. 3, 4 and 3. These here, these are actually the black boxes as they're called, but as you can see they're orange. I think the reason for that is so they can find them easier in crashes and situations where they don't want to be. But yeah, brilliant to see. Just for another look up here now at the stewardesses' quarters, where they said they took 5 extra stewardesses on each trip, but there's room for 8 to sleep up here. So inside is this tiny little room. Downstairs is disguised to look like a bit of a washroom and mirror, but up here is where the hostess is. Could take it in turns to have their rest. 4 spaces each side. There you can see the black boxes at the back again. So that's where they'd take their rest. But the door downstairs is made to look a bit like a washroom cubicle sort of thing, so as not to alert the passengers. Apparently it cost them €2.25 million for it to travel the 3 kilometres to the Corendon Hotel. But they had to close highways and cross highways and goodness knows what. But that in your garden, wow. What a thing to pass on to for your guests. Absolutely amazing. And the guy on the tour was good. If ever you get a chance, just do it. Park at the hotel, come on the tour, 4 o'clock in the afternoon.